I wanted to make a short video to help you guys guide you through the process of doing an application. It will not take more than 5 minutes. Um, we got two applications, which is the Apply Now. That is a full application. Once you have requested terms, we'll send you the to complete it and then put more information. But for this video purposes, we're going to show request preliminary terms. First tool we show you is Rural. When you click on this, it's going to take you to a website where you are going to put the address of the property that you are buying. Okay? And then when you do that, you will be able to, on the map, to see if the property is rural or not. If it's rural, you will not. We will not fund that deal. We don't fund properties that are rural. Okay. First thing, if you're a broker, please listen. You will put your information here. You say, yes, I am a broker. This is very important for us because then we know that you have referred somebody to us and you'll be able to work with us. If you are a loan officer and you're working with one of our brokers, then we need you to put your info here too. In this case, no. If you're a borrower, you don't need to do any of that. It's just no. Okay, next thing we need to know is what kind of loan you're looking for. Okay, we have many loans. In this case, we're going to talk about fix and flips, but it's basically the same. The next thing the system has to know is where are you in this process. If you have identified a property or have a property on a contract, either of those tells us that you are serious and you want to move forward. You actually want terms. And then if you receive an email marketing from us or Facebook, that's good to know. If a broker refers to us, we would like for us to know who referred you, so you can put their name and email here. Okay? Then next. The next thing we want to know is your first name. Let's say, in this case, my name is John Alvarez. Okay, email info at Harmony Capital Group. Want to know your phone number. And this is what this is saying right now is, since this is not the first time I do a training video, the system recognizes me. And it's saying, hey, welcome back. Hey, we can import all this information for you. So if you say yes, the system will import the information. In this case, we're just going to close it because I want to continue this. Okay, phone number. Either of these phone numbers, we can work with you. Okay, preferred communication, let's say you just want emails. Okay, there is co-borrower, we need you to put their information to. If not, leave it alone. And then, do you own or rent your property? Let's say you own it. Okay, let's say you are married. Okay, if you're not, then not. When you start answering questions, the system continues to populate. And let's say your credit score is 680 to 719. Okay, entity name, Harmony Capital Group. And EIN number. Say that's our EIN number. I don't remember it now. And you don't have to furnish this information. And then next. If you're missing something, the system will pop up a red message and tell you what it is that you're missing. Okay? Okay, you're a U.S. citizen. We want to know. This is background information. If you have any of these issues, then answer truthfully because we will do a background check on you. And then if there is an issue, just explain it here after you answer one of these. Then the system will ask you to add more information. Okay, experience. Let's say you've been doing this for 1 year and you've done, I don't know, let's say 3 deals. Okay. If you have a background in construction and you have experience, the same thing. If you have any projects on a contract, let's say you do have another flip that you're working on, and then if you own any properties, yes or no, the system will automatically ask you. And then if you're a full-time investor, yes or no. Let's say you have $30,000 on your bank account, and investment strategy is going to be fix and flip. You see, I'm flying through this. Okay. And liquidity, because we want to know that actually you have funds to close. Let's say you have $10,000 in this account, and another $10,000 in this one, and another $10,000 in this one. Okay, that makes $30,000. We know what your liquidity is, and we can move forward. Okay, then closing date. Let's say you're closing on the 38th. Okay, this is going to be an investment property. This is going to be a purchase. Let's say this is an MLS listing, long terms. We got different terms for fix and flip, but for this case, let's just do 12 on this one. It's not. This is not here. Do you need any rehab? Yes. How much rehab we need? Let's say you're gonna put 50,000 on this one. Okay. And let's say you're buying the property for 200,000. Okay. And so the property is 200,000. ARV. Let's say this after you're done. This is gonna be 385. Okay. No, this is not ground up construction. And he asks those questions because we use some of the same fields. Okay. Let's say the property is 123 Main Street. Okay, so it's 123. City, let's say it's Round Rock. And that would be Texas. And Round Rock 78664. How many properties are you buying? One. You're buying more than one unit, more than one property. We need multiple applications because it's different. You cannot sell two cars. You need to sell each car and then sign a title. Same thing. So total square feet. Let's say this property is 2,300 square feet. And then property value we already established as 200,000. The condition, let's say it's fair. You're gonna make it excellent after you're done. Okay. Who can we contact for this? Let's say it's the realtor. So you put the realtor name here, and then email realtors. Email. Okay, if there's a logbook info, we want to know the number. Usually it's a 4 code. And a phone number. Well, in this case, I'll put my phone number again. If it's you, then you put your information there. We already know that the answer to this one is no. Okay. No, we don't need any of that. We don't need any of that unless you're doing a cash out. If you're doing a cash out, then we need HOA fees. We need taxes and insurance. Well, for this purposes, we're only doing a fix and flip. Okay. If you miss something, the system will kick you back and say, "Please complete this." So we're just going over the mandatory ones. Okay. Okay. If there's a purchase contract, yes. If there's not a purchase contract, there's no agreement, then you put no. Okay. Any other wholesale fees? If there's one, please say yes. Put the amount here. We don't pay more than 10%. Okay. Whatever the property is worth. Are you adding any square footage? If you are, yes or no. Okay. There's a second lien on the property. No. And then if you intend to occupy the property, if the answer is yes, we will not fund it. Okay. Then you put your whatever information you want to put here as part of the deal, and then your name here. In this case, is mine, and then you sign it. Okay. If you make a mistake, you can reset it, and then click next. You're done with the application. The system is going to now give you access to your portal. We will send you an email that gives only you access to this portal. We don't accept any documents via email. What will you do? Well, once you sign an application, if you go for it, then we'll upload it here. The purchase contract, you have it, upload it. Okay? And then we'll give you immediately feedback on that. Okay? If there's an addendum, okay? If this is a rental, then we want to see the lease agreements, 2 bank statements. Signed term sheet is if you accept the terms and you sign it back to us, because we'll send you in an email, e-signable email, then we'll upload it for you. Okay? We want to know what type of government ID you have. Okay? Any U.S. ID will work. Even if you're a permanent resident, alien, or resident, we want to see if you have a green card, whatever government ID you have issued. Okay? Scope of work. We want to know where our money is going to. If you have one, upload it here. You can download it here too. We will provide one for you that you can download it, and then you can use it and upload it. Okay. Then everything is about your entity. We want to have all your entity information. Okay. If you have any insurance information, we can do it. You can upload it. If not, you will provide the information for the insurance and title company. We'll do that for you. We'll work with that. Okay. Deal verification template. If you say that you have done 10 deals, then you have to download this and tell us what it, complete the form, and then you can back it up here because the only way to prove that is with your closing statements or your HUDs, altas. Okay, and then don't worry about calling your questionnaire. We'll remove that if it's not pertaining to the deal, and then you save and submit it. If you don't save and submit it, the system thinks it's spam, and it will not forward it to us. It will not send us an email. So if you tried this before and you did not save it and submit it, we didn't receive your application. It's never going to come through and show it to us. Once we have received your application, the system sends us an email to our team, and then we open it. We'll grab the phone, go over the details of your applications with you to corroborate that all the information is correct or if something is missing, and then we'll provide terms in less than 24 hours. Hopefully this has been helpful, and we really look forward to working with you. Thank you.